Hello, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to address individual VDA ISA controls in a targeted manner and how to incorporate 100% of the data obtained from the customer into the assessment. We will now simulate an interview with the Human Resources Department. Select the Human Resources category for this. At the start of the assessment, there's therefore no data available for the controls in ICE. To display the individual control questions, click on the plus sign. A new mask opens. This is divided into two fields. On the left is the data input, and on the right, the resulting answers are automatically generated after data entry, thus data output. Access always takes place via the general information for this control. Here you will find the must and should requirements, responsible department, and the references to other standards. Now click on the Interview button. Here you will see the questions that you should address to Mary Smith, and these are usually answered with yes or no. Additional and customer-specific information can be entered in the free text field. Let's assume that Ms. Smith states that HR have a matrix with sensitive work areas in the company, and that the ID card is presented at reception before the interviews. I get the matrix and I upload it to this control using the plus sign. All files that have already been uploaded can be viewed directly via the eye icon. For time reasons, we will now answer the rest of the questions with no. Now that the left-hand side has been completed, click on Flash Audit and pay attention to the right-hand fields. The description of the current implementation in the company, the findings of what is currently missing, and the recommendations for action to obtain a TISAX label are now generated automatically, only in few seconds. Your entries from the left-hand side are reflected 100% in the overall result. The maturity level was also automatically determined by ICE by checking and comparing the data in the background. You can now modify the result with just a few clicks. For example, change the maturity level as you see fit or adapt the text to suit your requirements. Please take your time to read through the results and adapt the passages that you personally want to emphasize or present differently. The system saves your results and changes automatically, and when you are finished, you can simply exit the control. Incidentally, you can return to any control at any time and upload documents, evidence, process descriptions, or add new findings at a later date. Fill in the information for the relevant questions before, during, or after your interview with the customer, however you like. ICE provides you with the precise questions for each VDA ISA must and should requirement. The engine seamlessly takes your individual information into account, and the data output is generated with a mouse click. The maturity level is also determined automatically based on the data collected about the customer. Please note that the text creation and calculation are generated by our AI, and the final check of the information should be carried out by a human. You have now successfully completed the two parts of the Conducting the Assessment training course. Let's go one step further, and I'll introduce you to the summary option in the next video. I look forward to seeing you.